Hi guys, get ready with me to the salon. I want to make my Christmas hair today with the French curls I ordered from China. So I've gotten some comments about it that the French curls is nice. So I thought to be nice to show you the process, to show you the final outcome of the hair. So get ready with me guys to the salon. So the first thing I use on my face before I go out is my serum. This serum, I got it here in Nigeria for just 2,500 naira. They sell it in China as well. You can get it from China for just like 800. I think yeah, they are selling it 800 naira in China. So this is how I dress up. I'm trying to be fast because the appointment I have with this hairstylist is 8 o'clock and it is, I think it's already after 9. So I need to be fast. I'm supposed to allow this to dry before I apply my facial cream. So I'll let it dry for like 1 minute. So the next thing is my facial cream. It's not expensive. I buy it, I think 900 naira or 1000 naira. It's a Ghana product. It's very, very nice. So I apply this on my face like this. Just a little because it has shea butter. Okay, when I'm done with that, waiting for it to dry before I apply the next cream. This is a lip scrub. It's from my darling husband. He got it for me, but I hardly use it. I don't know why. So I use it to scrub my lip first before I apply my lip balm. So it's like sugar scrub. And next is this pink lips balm. Yeah, pink lips balm. So it's very little. So just apply a little on the lip like that. Next is my sunscreen. I got it from China. I get a lot of things. There's nothing I've not gotten from China. And 2024, by God's grace, I'm going to get more from China. I comb my hair, I pack it well. You know guys, I hardly do vlogs, but I feel you guys need to see the process of these French curls. So next is my perfume. My darling husband. I hardly buy these things myself. He's the one that buys them for me. I don't know why I don't buy them myself. Please, it's okay. Let me not finish it. Okay, the ESI. Next, my wristwatch. I got the wristwatch from China too. There's nothing you cannot buy from China. Yeah. So guys, next is my vitamin E oil. You know it's a time period, so it's good to, I use it on my palm, just my palm like this, so that my hands will not become white. I also use it on my feet as well. You can use it, you can mix it with your cream, you can mix it with anything that you use on your body. So it's not expensive. It's just 1,500 naira. You don't need to break the bank to look good. Okay, so last but not the least is my lip gloss. Just a little on the lip to make it wet. Okay, so guys, let's go to the salon. So guys, we just left the house. We are heading to the salon. Myself and my kids. Meet my daughter Anne. She made her hair yesterday. Anne, shake your hair, shake your hair. Okay, he's my boy. My son is always running around. Michael, stop it. So guys, I just got to the salon. I know she will be so angry. Hi, good morning. You know someone is angry with me. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging you. Sorry, I beg, no vex. I'm so sorry. These children were Allah. So this is my hairstylist shop on Motara Airline. She's the best, okay, guys? She's the best. She's eating. I beg, it might be new job.
No, it's fine.
Oh, say thank you, ma. So how far? Look am now. So what do you think?
But this is the end.
This is it. Me, I thought it's not what I
It's okay,
ordered.
but just that it's not long. But it's still.
It's 22 inches.
This one is not 22 inches.
That's what they wrote there. Oh. Okay.
But
Okay.
it's okay. It's
Let's get started then.
yes, it's 22.
Okay, 22. So will this 5 be enough? Because it looks small.
Yeah, it's very small.
It's very small. It no go reach, eh?
It won't be enough. But what we do is maybe I will have to calculate how many the cutting. It won't be too small. If not, you just need to go and get it.
All right, let's get started. Peace out. This is me washing my hair. The water was so cold, hence my facial reaction. I retouched my hair a few weeks ago, I think about 2 weeks ago. I still needed to wash it properly, before I start making the hair. So this stage is to blow dry the hair, before we start the braiding of the hair. So guys, you are going to enjoy watching this vlog. I promise you are going to enjoy watching every bit of this vlog. So guys, please keep watching and don't forget to drop comments and also give it a thumbs up. So guys, enjoy the vlog. So guys, my hairstylists have started making the hair. So we have begun the process. Let's see how this hair is going to turn out. Yeah, I'm making knotless braid. I know you guys are familiar with knotless braid, right? So I think you should use this as an opportunity to learn how to make knotless braid. Or so this is me and my daughter, feeling ourselves, and the hair is half done already. As you can see, it's looking okay. Let's keep watching so that we can see the final result. At this point, guys, I feel the hair is already coming out, right? Take a look at the coils. Take a look at the coils. What do you think? Is it coming out nice? Is it coming out nice, guys? Can you see? Okay, let's keep watching so we can see the final result. So we are almost done with the hair here. It's just remaining a little, So guys, thank you for watching. If you have watched up to this point, kindly drop comments on where you are watching from, and if you love my videos, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share. So yeah guys, you are done and we have entered inside the salon to do the finishing touch. So yeah, she's using the rollers to keep the coils together so that the coils, everything will be fine. So guys, here is to do the finishing touch. You just put the mousse and put in enough mousse to make it shine and beautiful and all that. Yeah, can you see that? This my hairstylist, she's good at what she does. You guys should come and patronize her. If you are inside Lagos, come and patronize her. She's good. So guys, what do you think about the hair already? Can you see that Do you like it? Do you like it? Please drop comments. Drop comments. What do you think about this knotless braid? Did my hairstylist do a good job? Did she finish a good job on this hair? Please drop comments. See the way she's wrapping the hair. Oh my god. I love the way she wrapped the hair though, because I think it's nice. What do you think, guys? Please drop comments. Okay. Here is the final result, guys. Look at the L. Look at the French curls I ordered from China, Pinduoduo, China. So, guys, what do you think about this hair? Is it exactly what I ordered that I got? Please drop comments in the comment section right now. And in case you are interested in this hair, it comes in different colors and different tones. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.